Ninja FG551 Foodi, Smart XL 6-in-1 indoor grill, with air fryer makes great steaks. From grilling steaks to air frying French fries to making homemade dog treats, the Ninja Foodi Smart XL indoor grill is a multifunction appliance that completes any kitchen. Features: 6 appliances in 1. Ninja calls the Foodi Smart XL indoor grill the grill that sears, sizzles, and air fry crisps, but I think it should be called the grill that replaces all of the other small kitchen appliances taking up too much space on your kitchen counter. Okay, maybe it can't replace all of the appliances, you'll still need your blender and coffee maker. But after testing this Ninja Foodi for a few weeks, I was ready to get rid of my toaster oven, air fryer, dehydrator, and even my outdoor grill. This version of the Foodi indoor grill has 6 main cooking features: grill, air fry, roast, dehydrate, broil, and bake, and, unlike the smaller version, it includes a meat thermometer that allows you to choose from several preset meat options. Instead of manually monitoring the temperature, you can set the grill to beef or pork and then choose from a range of internal cooking temperatures, from rare to well. While the whole appliance is impressive, the smart thermometer was my favorite feature by far. Design: unassuming enough to leave on your counter. Although unassuming as far as looks go, the grill is fairly large. The dimensions are about 16 by 17 by 11 inches, so it will take up a considerable amount of space on your counter or in your cabinet. Its stainless steel and black finish blends in with most other basic kitchen appliances and make it good-looking enough to keep on the counter, but I'm not a huge fan of leaving things out. The good news is that it does the job of several other appliances. So if you have an air fryer and toaster sitting on your counter now, you can replace them both with this. I wish the grill was just half an inch bigger, or the crisper basket was half an inch smaller so that they would all stack nicely inside for easy storage, but this was really the only thing I could find wrong with the grill. There's a touchscreen digital display on the front of the grill that allows you to manually choose your cooking programs and displays the prompts: add food or a rest, when it comes time to do either. The thermometer is housed in its own hidden magnetic compartment on the side of the grill, so as long as you put it away after each use, you never have to worry about losing it. This particular model comes with 3 removable pans, a cooking pot, a grill grate, and a crisper basket. You also have the option to purchase a round baking pan separately. One design flaw I noticed here is that all 3 pans don't stack inside the grill. You can stack the cooking pot and the grill grate, or the cooking pot and the crisper basket, but you can't do all 3. I wish the grill was just half an inch bigger, or the crisper basket was half an inch smaller so that they would all stack nicely inside for easy storage, but this was really the only thing I could find wrong with the grill. Performance: worth the hype. Even after developing over 1,000 recipes, cooking steaks still feels intimidating, so the thought of being able to pull off a perfectly cooked steak with basically the push of a button sounded really exciting. But after testing and owning dozens of kitchen appliances that fall way short on their promises, I was skeptical, to say the least. Nevertheless, I put the Ninja Foodi to the ultimate grill test: grass-fed filets. Filets naturally have less fat than other cuts, and grass-fed filets have even less fat, so it's really important not to overcook them if you want a good flavor. During the 5 minutes it took to preheat the grill, I rubbed the filets in avocado oil, one of the high-heat oils recommended by the manufacturer, and sprinkled them with sea salt and crushed black pepper. Once the grill was preheated, it beeped and flashed an add food alert on screen, signaling that it was time to add the steaks. I inserted the thermometer into the thickest part of one of the steaks, laid them on the grill pan, and chose the rare option in the beef preset function. The thermometer immediately registered the temperature of the steak, 59 degrees Fahrenheit, and displayed that next to the target temperature, which was 103 degrees for rare. As the steak heated up, the temperature displayed on the screen in real time, so when the internal temperature reached 80 degrees, which was about halfway to the steak being fully cooked, I opened the grill cover, which prompted the cycle to stop cooking, flipped the steaks, and then quickly closed the cover so the grilling process could continue. After about 7 minutes of cooking and absolutely no smoke in sight, the Ninja Foodi beeped to signal that it was time to remove the steaks. Once the steaks were removed, the timer immediately began a rest cycle timer, a feature that I wasn't expecting but was pleasantly surprised by. This cycle counts up from 0 to 5 minutes, signaling that you should allow your meat to rest before cooking. When I finally cut into the steak, I was wowed by how perfectly rare it was, and I'm not easily impressed. I've tried to pull this off with other grills and meat thermometers, but was never as successful as I was with the Ninja Foodi. The air fry and dehydrate settings were equally impressive. It doesn't necessarily air fry better than others I've tried. But the fry basket is rectangular with a larger surface area than most air fryers, so the food cooks evenly without the need for constantly tossing it and moving it around. I was also able to make homemade sweet potato dog treats with the dehydrate setting. I used a mandolin to slice sweet potatoes and then followed the Ninja's instruction booklet, 135 degrees Fahrenheit for about 6 hours. As someone who's constantly on the lookout for natural dog treats, this was a selling point in itself. There may be no such thing as the perfect kitchen appliance, but it's really hard to find anything wrong with the Ninja Foodi Smart XL Indoor Grill. It grills beautifully, air fries quickly and efficiently, and even has a dehydrate function that you can use to make natural dog treats or your own beef jerky. If you're even considering adding this to your kitchen, stop with the back and forth and get it now.